Good morning, student. Today we will learn next point of the chapter Pythagoras theorem. This is application of Pythagoras theorem. In last period we have seen what is meant by Pythagoras theorem, which is the statement of Pythagoras theorem, and then we have to study here application of Pythagoras theorem. It means in which derivation Pythagoras theorem is used. Here we have to study. Application of Pythagoras theorem, it means when we have to give one right angle triangle or when we have to give an acute angle triangle or obtuse angle triangle, then what is the relation between the sides? Here we have to study that. When here we have to give one triangle ABC, but in triangle ABC, angle C is an acute angle. And segment AD is perpendicular to segment BC. Then we can draw here triangle ABC. This is triangle ABC. In this triangle, angle C is a acute angle. Then segment AD is perpendicular to BC. So we can draw here perpendicular AD. Here segment AD is perpendicular to BC. Then we have to show that AB square is equal to. Then we have to show that AB square is equal to BC square plus AC square minus 2BC into DC. Minus 2BC into DC. This is the application of Pythagoras theorem. So, proof of this, we have to given that in figure, suppose we have to take here AB is equal to C, AC is equal to B, and here AD is equal to P, total BC is equal to X. This total BC is equal to, A. Then consider here DC is equal to X, then BD is equal to X minus A. So let consider here, let AB is equal to C, then AC is equal to B, BC is equal to X, BC is equal to A, then AD is equal to P, DC is equal to X. When DC is equal to X, therefore BD is equal to BC minus DC. So BC is A and DC is X. So BD is equal to A minus X. A minus X. This is about figure. BD is equal to A minus X. So, in triangle ADB, we know that angle D is a right angle. Angle D is equal to 90 degree. So, by Pythagoras theorem, by Pythagoras theorem, we have to know that AB square is equal to, remember that AB square is equal to BD square plus AD square. BD square plus AD square by Pythagoras theorem. Then by substituting the values, AB square means C square or AB square as it is. BD square means A minus X bracket square plus AD square means P square. Then here also C square is equal to, by expansion of this, We know that the formula a minus b bracket square is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. This is the formula we have to use here. A square as it is minus 2ax plus x square plus b square. Therefore, c square is equal to a square minus 2ax plus x square plus b square. This is called equation first. This is very important. So, c square is equal to a square minus 2ax plus x square plus b square. This is equation first. Then, in triangle ADC, another triangle, another right angle triangle. In triangle ADC, in triangle ADC, angle D is angle D 90 degree. So by Pythagoras theorem, AC square is equal to, which is the hypotenuse AC. So AC square is equal to AD square plus DC square. AC square means here B square is equal to AD square means P square plus DC square means X square. DC is X, so X square, AD means P, so P square. Then by calculating the value of P square is equal to B square minus X square. This is equation second. This plus P square goes on either side, minus plus X square goes on either side, minus X square. Therefore, P square is equal to B square minus X square. So, then substituting the value of P square in equation first. Substituting value of P square from second in first. या ठिकाणी जर ही पी स्क्वेअरची व्हॅल्यू आपण ठेवली तर बघा पी स्क्वेअरची व्हॅल्यू ठेवल्यानंतर सी स्क्वेअर ॲज इट इज ए स्क्वेअर मायनस 2ax प्लस एक्स स्क्वेअर, पी स्क्वेअरची व्हॅल्यू काय बी स्क्वेअर मायनस एक्स स्क्वेअर, बी स्क्वेअर मायनस एक्स स्क्वेअर. So this plus x square minus x square get cancelled. Therefore, c square is equal to a square plus b square minus 2ax. Then substituting the values, c square means cab square is equal to a square means bc square plus b square means ac square minus 2 into a means bc and x means dc. Hence it is the proof. Therefore we can say that in triangle ABC, angle C is a acute angle, and segment AD is perpendicular to BC, then AB square is equal to BC square plus AC square minus 2BC into DC. This is the first application of Pythagoras theorem. And then second application is that when angle C is a obtuse angle, is an obtuse angle. बघा हे पहिली कंडिशनमध्ये काय होतं, कोन सी हा लघु कोन होता. आता दुसऱ्या कंडिशनमध्ये कोन सी हा काय असतो, विशाल कोन असतो. तेव्हा त्याचा स्टेटमेंट काय येईल ते आपल्याला पाहायचे. These two things are very important for next application, that is called Apollonius theorem. In your examination, Apollonius theorem is very important. But before that, we have to study your first application of Pythagoras theorem. When in a given triangle, angle C is a acute angle and segment AD is perpendicular to segment BC, then we can say that AB square is equal to BC square plus AC square minus 2BC into DC, 2BC minus 2BC into DC. So next application we have to study here. Next application. So the second application of Pythagoras theorem, when angle C is an obtuse angle, we have to study here. In triangle ABC, angle C is an obtuse angle, segment AD is perpendicular to BC, then show that or prove that AB square is equal to BC square plus AC square plus 2BC into CD. So we have to take here proof. Observe the figure. Here angle C is a obtuse angle. This is a perpendicular. In figure, angle C is an obtuse angle. Segment AD is perpendicular to segment BC. Suppose we have to take here AB is equal to C, BC is equal to A, AC is equal to B, DC is equal to here X, and AD is equal to P. So calculate the value of BD. Then BD is equal to DC plus BC. Then X plus BC as A. Therefore, A plus X, this is the value of BD. या ठिकाणी BD जर बघितलं तर DC प्लस BC करावी लागेल. BC ची व्हॅल्यू X आहे आणि DC ची व्हॅल्यू BC ची व्हॅल्यू A आणि याला काय कन्सिडर केलं X. मग या ठिकाणी काय येणार A plus X. So in a triangle ADB, angle D is equal to 90 degree. So by Pythagoras theorem, we can write as it is. This is a hypotenuse. So we can write AB square is equal to AC square, AB square is equal to, in triangle ADB, AB square is equal to AD square plus BD square. So AB square means AB is C, C square is equal to AD square means P square plus BD square, BD ची value A plus X bracket square. We know the formula. A plus B bracket square is equal to A square plus 2AB plus B square. By using this formula, we have to expand this. Therefore, P square is equal to A square plus 2AX plus X square. A square, multiplication of twice of multiplication 2AX plus X square, C square as it is. Therefore, C square is equal to A square plus 2AX plus X square plus B square. This is called equation first. This is equation first. Then in triangle ADC, angle D is equal to 90 degree. So by Pythagoras theorem, in triangle ADC, angle D is a right angle triangle. So by Pythagoras theorem, AC square is equal to AD square plus DC square. Then AC square means B square is equal to AD square means P square plus DC square means X square. AD means P, so P square, DC means X square. Then calculate the value of P square. Therefore, P square is equal to X square minus B square. P square is equal to B square minus X square. Plus minus या ठिकाणी लक्षात घ्या. This is called equation second. P square is equal to B square minus X square. Then substituting value of P square from second in first. या ठिकाणी सेकंड इक्वेशनवरून पी स्क्वेअरची व्हॅल्यू घ्या आणि ती कशामध्ये ठेवा, इक्वेशन फर्स्टमध्ये ठेवा. देअरफॉर सी स्क्वेअर ॲज इट इज ए स्क्वेअर 2ax प्लस एक्स स्क्वेअर. व्हॅल्यू ऑफ पी स्क्वेअर इज बी स्क्वेअर मायनस एक्स स्क्वेअर. दिस एक्स स्क्वेअर गेट कॅन्सल, प्लस मायनस गेट कॅन्सल. देअरफॉर सी स्क्वेअर इज इक्वल टू ए स्क्वेअर plus this b square plus 2ax. It means c square means ab square is equal to a square means bc square plus b square means ac square plus 2 into bc into x ची व्हॅल्यू काय रे, bc. This is the proof and this is the second application of Pythagoras theorem. But remember that there are only two conditions when angle C is a acute angle and when angle C is a obtuse angle. So study carefully. These are the two applications of Pythagoras theorem. Depend on it, we have to study Apollonius theorem. Remember that first we have to take this triangle ABC. Angle C is a obtuse angle. AB as a C, then BC as a A and AC as a B. Then we can draw perpendicular segment AD is perpendicular to BC by taking value of AD is equal to P, DC is equal to X. We have first calculate BD. BD is equal to A plus X. First take the triangle ADB. Angle D is equal to 90 degree. Therefore by using Pythagoras theorem equation first. Then in triangle ADC by Pythagoras theorem equation second, and this is very important, substituting value of p square from second in first. Therefore c square is equal to a square plus b square plus 2ax, and that is called ab square is equal to bc square plus ac square plus 2 into bc into cd or dc. These are two applications. Then we have to study Apollonius theorem. Very easy for understanding, but remember these two things. So we have to study here Apollonius theorem by using first two applications which I have learned. So Apollonius theorem is that when in a triangle, if M is the midpoint of side BC, remember that this M is the midpoint of side BC. It means BM is equal to CM. M is the midpoint of side BC, then AB square plus AC square is equal to AB square plus AC square is equal to 2AM square plus 2BM square. So given things is that we have to prove in triangle ABC, point M is the midpoint of side BC. It means BM is equal to CM. Remember that. This is given. Then we have to prove AB square plus AC square is equal to 2AM square plus 2BM square. Try to understand carefully. We have to prove AB square plus AC square is equal to 2AM square plus 2BM square. 2AM square plus 2BM square. And here construction is that, what is the construction we have to take here? Draw segment AD perpendicular to segment BC. This is the construction we can draw here. AD is perpendicular to BC. and then we have to take proof of this. So remember that when AM is not perpendicular to BC, then out of AMC or AMB, out of these two angles, one is a acute angle and one is a obtuse angle. लक्षात घ्या, जेव्हा AMBC ला लंब नसतो तेव्हा AMC किंवा AMB या ठिकाणी दोन्हीपैकी एक acute angle असतो आणि एक obtuse angle असतो. So remember that this angle is a obtuse angle. AMB, this angle is a obtuse angle and this angle is a acute angle. So in triangle AMB, angle M is an obtuse angle. Is an obtuse angle and segment AD is perpendicular to segment BM. In this condition, we have to use the application of Pythagoras theorem. By using application of Pythagoras theorem, application of Pythagoras theorem, we have to write that AB square is equal to AM square plus BM square, AM square plus BM square plus 2BM into DM or MD. This is equation first. Remember that AB square is equal to, we have to see that application of Pythagoras theorem when angle M is a obtuse angle. In triangle AMB, angle M is a obtuse angle and we can draw here perpendicular to BM. Only consider this before. याच्या अगोदरचं फक्त लक्षात घ्या. AB square is equal to AM square plus BM square plus 2BM into DM or MD. This is first. Then in triangle AMC, angle M is an acute angle. Angle M is an acute angle. Angle M हा acute angle आहे. Segment AD is perpendicular to segment CM. Then we have to know that when in a triangle, angle M is a acute angle by application of Pythagoras theorem. By application of Pythagoras theorem, we have to return that. By application of Pythagoras theorem, we have to return that AC square is equal to AM square plus CM square minus 2CM into DM. Minus 2CM into DM. This is the application of Pythagoras theorem when angle M is a acute angle, and this is the application of Pythagoras theorem when angle M is a obtuse angle. Then AC square is equal to AM square as it is, but we have to know that CM and BM are congruent. CM is equal to BM, so we can write here BM square minus 2BM into DM. This is equation second because Bm is equal to Cm. We have to given that. Observe the equation first and second. Then by adding equation first and second, here left hand side, AB square plus AC square is equal to, AB square plus AC square is equal to, AM square plus AM square, 2AM square. This BM square plus BM square, 2BM square. Here plus Bm into Dm plus 2Bm into Dm, and here also minus 2Bm into Dm. This get cancel. Therefore, our proof is we have to get AB square is equal to AB square plus AC square is equal to 2AM square 2BM square. This is called Apollonius theorem. This is the application of Pythagoras theorem. So, when we have to solve examples, whenever in a triangle AM is M is the midpoint of BC, it means AM is a median of the triangle. And then remember that AB square plus AC square is equal to 2AM square plus 2BM square. This is called Apollonius theorem. These are the application of Pythagoras theorem. By using this application of Pythagoras theorem, we have to solve some example. So, this is enough for today's example, for today's lecture. But remember that this is very important. In your examination, we have to ask Apollonius theorem, or examples depends on Apollonius theorem. So, at your home, repeatedly write these theorems, remember it, and for next lecture, study to solving examples depends on this application of Pythagoras theorem or Apollonius theorem. So, this is enough for today's lecture. So, we shall stop here.